How to pack your dishwasher? I'm sure that's potentially a question that you haven't put much thought behind or haven't really explored in depth. I just want to add you a little bit of an insight into our world from understanding why and how people pack their dishwashers in a particular way. Now, it's not about the mechanics or how to put it in and what is happening in that process. There's something different to it. We know we pack cutlery, crockery, and dishes in the dishwasher in order for it to come out clean at the end of the day with the least amount of effort. That is obviously goes without saying. But the way that people approach this task differ from person to person. For instance, high threshold, a sensation seeker, I don't rinse the plates because, for heaven knows, why should I put it in the dishwasher and first rinse it? It's the dishwasher's job. So I would touch the dirty plates or the dirty cutlery, put it in the dishwasher usually as fast and as quickly as possible, and then off I go and it can wash, and I might wash my hands or rinse my hands afterwards, not too bothered by it. Yet I've worked with a client a while back who hated packing the dishwasher because she was saying there's no way in hell I'm touching those dirty plates. And it became a huge contentious issue for her and her partner. And he used to then pack the dishwasher and said, Annemarie, you should write another book explaining to couples why we've got such a different approach in just something like packing the dishwasher. Obviously for her, she was really aversive to the touching dirty plates because of her low threshold for her touch system. A pair of gloves would have done the trick, but anyway. So even understanding the way that we pack a dishwasher can be indicative of our sensory thresholds and how our brain processes sensory information from the environment. So from that little bit of insight, happy dishwashing and keep it going. And next time when you want to judge someone for the way that they maybe even pack your dishwasher or their dishwashers, please don't do it, because we are all unique and different, and our brains usually are the predictor of how we would approach these day-to-day tasks. That's all for today, guys. Stay safe and take care. Cheers.